Osama bin Laden has been frustratingly cold for years, but in August 2010, the CIA has a major breakthrough. They find the home of a man they believe to be in bin Laden's inner circle, his most trusted courier. Suddenly, one of the most extensive manhunts in U.S. history is hot again.
We are looking mostly for indirect indicators in a situation where someone's trying to hide things or deceive you.
They wanted to make sure they knew exactly who was there.
The first step is to painstakingly gather intelligence.
We started bringing all the assets you have to bear. Human beings, electronic means, unmanned aerial vehicles, and the beginnings of actually doing the analysis that could lead to a strike.
Phase 1, satellites. Orbiting up to 600 miles above the Earth, government spy crafts wouldn't let their target know they're being watched from above.
They put that compound under surveillance 24/7, not only with visual spy satellites, but SIGINT satellites, eavesdropping satellites.
Analysts at both the National Security Agency and the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency work with the CIA, poring over the audio recordings and the pictures being snapped with the smallest of details.
In some of the satellite imagery, they did notice that occasionally there was a taller man who didn't have to do daily chores like everybody else around the compound, but they still couldn't identify him as Osama bin Laden.
After a few weeks of surveillance, President Obama is told about the compound and informed that it might be housing a certain very high-value target.
He didn't want to waste any time.
What we do is actually get a picture of the real occupants. Is it bin Laden? Is it Zawahiri?
The American surveillance team does see a man take walks in the compound's courtyard. They nickname him the Pacer, and some of these seemingly disconnected pieces are starting to bring a picture together.
When I found out that there were certain individuals living on the compound with him, women and children and others, it fit the profile of what our understanding was of bin Laden's current family.
By February